Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is the first outside the box card using the June 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit by Stampin' Up! Called Expressions in Color. This Expressions in Color kit was designed to go with the Expressions in Ink designer series paper. So I've already pre-cut all of mine, but this is the paper that it goes with. How gorgeous is that? Anyway, so this card is really dramatic. I wanted something that would jump out, stand out, really dramatic card. So I used the designer series paper. It's got the gold veining in it. I used the bumblebee card base from the kit. I used the greeting banner from the kit, and I used the happy birthday from the artistically inked stamp set. And I have used some bumblebee linen thread that came in a previous paper pumpkin kit. So let's get started. This one's really super quick to make. We've got our designer series paper. I am going to put a little bit of Stampin' Seal across the back to anchor my linen thread. So I'm just going to pop that like that. And then we just wrap it around, come back through the adhesive at the back. I'm crossing it over. You don't have to, you can do what you like. I'm just doing a couple of passes. I'm going to snip this off. And with these cardboard spools, I was finding they were unspooling all over the place. So I just cut a notch in the top of the cardboard tube, and it holds the end and stops it running away. While I've got this way, I'm going to put adhesive across the top, the middle, and the bottom. And then I will adhere this to the card front, or the card base. So we're just going to line this one up, drop it down. There we go. And then I am going to stamp my greeting. Now this, you have to be a little bit careful when you're doing this, because this is a cling stamp. It's not a photopolymer. So it's a little bit tougher to line it up, but I've practiced with this one and I know how it lines up. So I am just going to, you've probably got my hair in the video now because I am lining this up so it's straight. We do that and there you go. So sometimes when you put the stickers on the back of your cling stamps, they're not exactly right. So it always pays to just do a couple of tests and see how it lines up. Do you need to hold the stamp at a little bit of an angle to get it straight? Or you can use your Stamparatus to get things lined up perfectly. So I am just going to put adhesive dimensionals on the back of the greeting. And then I'm going to put the greeting in the middle of the card, lining it up, and then just dropping it down over that linen thread. And there we go. A really dramatic statement birthday card. Could be used for anybody. So I hope you've enjoyed this first outside the box for the June Paper Pumpkin Kit Expressions in Color. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.